According to the regulator, 70% of people lose money trading, and you should only ever trade, of course, with risk capital. So the vast majority of people should not be trading. They should just walk away, leave now. Okay, so what makes people want to trade? Why do they do it? This was a talk I gave about what we do as hedge fund managers and what trading is about. It's an image from a talk I gave at Bloomberg, where I used to present shows on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, again on trading. And our audience on Bloomberg, of course, is largely traders. So what is the background of the audience? Why do people do it? Well, I think there's three key reasons people do anything, and they're the same reasons that apply for why they get interested in trading. Fun, fulfillment, or funds. Funds is money. That's the obvious reason. Some find it fulfilling because they're their own boss. They get to keep 100% of any profits they might make. They're not answerable to anyone. And of course, it's the best entrepreneurial business there is in theory, because there's no warehouse, there's no employees, there's very little upfront capital you need, and so on. And fun. Some of them just enjoy it. That's the background. But I have to give the warnings. 70% lose money, which some people say to me, well, that's not bad, Alpesh, because 90% of companies go bust after 3 years. So surely as a trader, I've got a greater chance of being a successful, profitable entrepreneur, and it's scalable because the only thing I need to scale is the capital under management once I learn the skills. And I say to them, the best way to start, if you're interested, is to start with a demo account, so you're not risking any money. Then obviously learn strategies and find a particular one which works for you, test it, and until you're consistently profitable. Consistently profitable means that some months you might make more. You save that for the months where you lose money because you don't win every month. And that irons out the ups and downs, so you get some idea of how much you might be able to make over the course of a longer period of time. Okay, and that's not easy. Neither is it easy running your own business. But for me, the reason I got into trading and left being a barrister is the three Fs. Like I said, funds, money was key, fun and fulfillment. If you don't get the other two and you're only going for the money, you'll fail. You'll give up like anything in life. You'll give up if it's purely for the money, because if you don't get the fun and the fulfillment, why would you continue and persist with it and learn the skills? So the first thing to do is learn the skills. Rather like driving, learn the skills of trading first. And if you want to learn a bit more about what trading involves, look at the links in my bio. I've got a free copy of my book published by the Financial Times that I allow you to download. So the links are in the bio to that. And yeah, first things first, get yourself educated.